Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to do a cooking video, and today we are going to make a bird out of things around the house. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be this one right here. Okay, so I don't have blueberries, so I'm going to use chocolate chips for the eyes. I have a banana. You need bread. You can use jelly. I have this jelly. You can use peanut butter, Nutella, cream cheese, whatever you have around the house. You need Cheerios for the little fur right here. I do not have oranges, so I'm going to use the rest of the apple. So I'm going to use the apple for the wings, for the nose, and up here. Okay? So the first thing we have to do is we have to put jelly on my piece of bread. So with mommy and daddy's help, because you have a knife, okay? You can't touch knives without mommy and daddy. Okay? So mommy and daddy are going to help you. You're going to spread the jelly all around. So it would look like that. Then you are going to put your two eyes on. What shape is this? A circle. Good job. So it looks like this. Ooh, the eyes are sliding. Then you're going to put your two chocolate chips for the eyes. They're really tiny. If you don't have chocolate chips, you can use blueberries. You can use little slices of apples. Next, you're going to do the wings. So I cut my apple slices in two. I'm going to put that on. Cut this one again. Okay. Next, you need a little nose. And then you need your Cheerios. You can break them in half and you can use them, okay? Okay. Then the last part is you need the little eyebrows. And this is what it would look like. So you have your bananas, your apples, your Cheerios, your chocolate chips, and your jelly. Okay. I hope you guys had fun using and making a bird out of food. I know I did. Bye.